Hello everyone, I am Usha Rani. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to explain coordinate geometry exercise number 1 problems. Here in this video, 7th problem I will start. So 7th one, prove that the points 1, 2, 3 and 4, these 4 points taken in order the corners of a parallelogram. So 4 points are given. These 4 points are taken in the form of a parallelogram or not, and just you have to prove that. Are the points are the parallelogram points or not, just you have to find out. How can you say? So before proving out those points at the corners of a parallelogram, just concept what is a parallelogram and what are the properties of the parallelogram. So in that, this is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. It is a four-sided closed figure parallelogram. What is the property of the parallelogram means? If the opposite sides are equal, then we can say that it is a parallelogram. Two pairs of opposite sides are parallel, then only we can say that it is a parallelogram. So just once check it. How can you find out? See here, let A, B, C and D are the given points. Now distance between these points on you have to find out. AB, BC, CD and DA. Now here distance formula. What is the distance formula? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula. So in this first distance AB, so A point minus 7 minus 3 and B point 5, 10. Consider A and B points. Now here you have to represent x1, y1, x2, y2. Now distance between AB, where AB equal to here square root of x2 minus x1. So 5 minus of minus x1 is minus 7. So keep the bracket whole square plus y2 is 10 minus of minus 3. y1 is minus 3. So you have to keep bracket. Again y2 minus y1 whole square. Now here square root of 5 minus into minus plus 7 whole square plus 10 minus into minus plus 3 whole square. That equal to square root of 5 plus 7 is 12 square plus 10 plus 3 is 13 square. That equal to square root of 12 square equal to 144 as well as 13 square equal to 169. Add these numbers, unit digit, 9 plus 4, 13, 1 plus 6, 1 keep in mind, 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 4, 11, again 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So square root of 313 we got it. Again BC, consider B value. B point is 5, 10 and C point now 15, 18. Now let us represent here x1, y1, x2, y2. Like that just you should represent. Now distance between BC, that means BC equal to square root of x2 minus x1. So 15 minus 5 whole square plus y2 minus y1. 8 minus 10 whole square. That equal to square root of 10 square plus 8 minus 10 whole square, that is 8 minus 10 is minus 2 whole square. That equal to square root of 100 plus 4 equal to square root of 104. Now next to CD just you have to consider, where C point is 15, 8 and D point is 3, minus 5. Again let us represent x1, y1, here x2, y2. Distance between CD equal to square root of same x2 minus x1. x2 is 3 minus x1 is 15 whole square plus y2 is minus 5 and y1 is minus 8 whole square. that equal to square root of 3 minus 15 equal to minus 12 whole square plus of minus 5 minus 8 is minus 13 whole square equal to square root of minus square minus 12 whole square. Minus square first symbol you multiply 2 times, minus into minus plus, so 12 square equal to 144. Same thing here, 13 square equal to 169 equal to square root of 9 plus 4 13. 1 keep in mind, 7 plus 4 11, again 1 is a 2 3. Square root of 313 we got it. Next one is DA, where D value equal to 3 comma minus 5 and A value is minus 7 comma minus 3. Let us represent here again x1 y1 x2 y2. Now DA or AD, anyway both are same. So DA equal to square root of x2 minus x minus 7 minus 3 whole square plus of minus 3 minus of minus 5 whole square, that equal to square root of minus 10 whole square plus of minus 3 plus 5 whole square. Here minus into minus plus 5, so plus 5 whole square, that equal to square root of minus 10 whole square equal to 100. 10 square minus into minus plus 10 square equal to 100 plus of here minus 3 plus 5 whole square, that equal to 2 square, where 2 square equal to 4, that equal to square root of 104. 4 distances we found already here. Just once check it, where AB value is 313 and BC value 104. Here CD 313 and DA 104. Here AB equal to CD. Yes, AB equal to CD as well as BC equal to 104 equal to DA. Yes, here two pairs of opposite sides are equal. So yes, we can conclude that these 4 given points are taken. We can take in order of a corners of a parallelogram. So here, therefore, here AB equal to CD, that equal to square root of 313, as well as here BC equal to, where BC equal to AD or DA. Anyway, you can write, that equal to 104. Two pairs of opposite sides are equal. So, hence we can conclude that, that the given points are the corners of a parallelogram. Hence here ABCD is a parallelogram. This is the solution. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Next question in this, show that the points minus 4 comma minus 7, minus 1 comma 2, 8 comma 5 and 5 comma minus 4 taken in order are the vertices of a rhombus. That is the question, and find its area. Here 4 points are given. Those 4 points in one order they have taken. Is it the correct order of the rhombus or not? That we have to find out. Here let A, B, C, D are the given points. First you have to write down. Next you have to apply the distance formula. How can you say are the vertices of the rhombus or not? Is it the correct order or not? Just you have to find out. How can you say? What is the property of the rhombus means? Only distance formula, that is the sides related property is, if all sides are equal, then we can say that it is a rhombus. If 4 sides are equal, all sides mean 4 sides are equal. So distance between AB, BC, CD as well as DA we have to find out. Now consider here, write the distance formula, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now consider AB points. Here represent x1, y1, x2, y2. Now AB equal to square root of x2 minus x1. x2 equal to minus 1. x1 equal to minus 4. So minus of minus 4 whole square plus y2 minus y1. 2 minus of minus 7 whole square. Here small bracket is there. So here you write square bracket. Now square root of minus 1. Here minus into minus plus 4 whole square plus 2 minus into minus plus 7 whole square. That equal to 3 square plus 9 square. That equal to square root of 3 square equal to 9 plus 9 square equal to 81. That equal to square root of 90. Like that BC, where B point, where B equal to minus 1 comma 2 and C point C equal to 8 comma 5. Again here let us consider represent here x1, y1, x2, y2. Now distance between BC, where BC equal to square root of x2 8 minus of x1 is minus 1 whole square plus y2 is 5 minus y1 is 2 whole square. That equal to square root of 8 minus into minus plus 1 whole square plus of 5 minus 2 equal to 3 square. That equal to square root of 9 square plus 3 square, where 9 square equal to 81 plus 3 square equal to 9. That equal to square root of 90. Next AB, BC. Next point is C. C of CD we have to find out. Consider C point 8 comma 5 and D point is 5 comma minus 4. Let us represent here x1, y1, x2, y2. Again CD equal to square root of x2 minus x1 5 minus x1 minus 8 whole square plus y2 is minus 4, y1 is y2 minus y1 minus 5 whole square. That equal to square root of minus 3 whole square plus of minus 9 whole square. That equal to square root of minus 3 whole square equal to how much? 9 plus minus 9 whole square equal to 81. That equal to square root of 90. Next DA or AD, anyone you can take. So D point 5 comma minus 4 and A point minus 4 comma minus 7. Here again consider here. Let us represent x1, y1, x2, y2. Now here DA equal to square root of where x2 minus 1 minus x1 that is minus 5 whole square plus y2 equal to minus 7, y1 equal to minus 4, minus of minus 4 whole square. That equal to square root of here minus 9 whole square plus of minus 7 plus 4 whole square. Minus into minus plus. So that equal to square root of 9 square 81 plus of 3 square equal to 9. That equal to square root of 90. Yes, 4 sides distance already we found here. Now see here AB equals square root of 90. BC is also square root of 90. CD is also square root of 90 as well as DA is also square root of 90. Then we can understand yes it is a rhombus. The 4 points taken in order are the vertices of a rhombus. So you can find out the area. So area we have to find out means what we have to find out? Diagonals of the rhombus. What are the diagonals of the rhombus here? AC and BD. So AC distance again A, consider A point minus 4 comma minus 7 and C point where C equal to 8 comma 5. Now let us represent x1 y1 and x2 y2. Now here where AC equal to square root of x2 minus x1. x2 equal to 8 minus x1 means minus of minus 4 whole square plus y2 equal to 5 minus of minus 7 whole square, that equal to square root of 8, where minus into minus equal to plus. So 8 plus 4 whole square plus of 5 minus into minus plus 7 whole square, that equal to here 8 plus 4 equal to 12 square plus 5 plus 7 equal to 12, that equal to square root of, where 12 square equal how much? 144. So 144 plus 144, that equal to square root of 248. This can be written as 2 into 144. 144 2 is how much? 288. Here also 144 plus 144 equal how much? 288. This can be written as square root of 2 into 144. Why? Because square root of 144 equal to 12 and this value equal to root 2. How much we got? Where AC equal to 12 root 2. Next one, B value, B of minus 1 comma 2 and B 0.5 comma minus 4. Again represent here x1, y1 and x2, y2. Now BD equal to square root of x2 minus of minus 1 whole square plus y2 equal to minus 4 minus of, not minus of, y because here plus 2 is there, so directly write minus 2 whole square. Next to 5 minus into minus plus 1 whole square plus of minus 4 minus 2, that equal to minus 6 whole square. See here AC value as well as BD. Now square root of 6 square plus 6 square, that equal to square root of 36. Square root of 36 equal how much? 6. Where BD equal how much? 6 value. Now here given ABCD is a trapezium. Sorry. Here ABCD is a quadrilateral. Here the given ABCD points are taken in the order of a rhombus. Why? Because here 4 sides are equal. So given quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. Because why? Because here AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. Here 4 sides are equal. 4 sides are equal. So it is a rhombus. Are the given points taken in the order of the vertices of a rhombus. Now area of the rhombus equal to area of a rhombus. Area of a rhombus equal to, what's the formula? Of D1 D2. So area of a rhombus equal to of D1 D2, where T1 and D2 are the diagonals of a rhombus. So here diagonals are AC and BD. So here half into, where D1 AC equal how much? 12 root 2 and D2 equal how much? 6. Now calculate here 6 times 6 is 36 root 2. This is the area of a rhombus. Is it clear? If you have any doubts, please ask me in the comment section.